are another one of those items that you're going to find whenever there's an air handling unit. They almost go hand in hand. And VAV stands for variable air volume, but they don't necessarily all have to have variable air. They're basically an end of zone or within a zone feeder for either heat or cool or a baffling system. In our particular case, if you think about commercial buildings are built for most high occupancy spaces. That means a lot of human element. So when we have a commercial building, we design them to be cooled first, heated second. So in our case, I've got air going through all of this ductwork from the chiller, the cooling tower, the air handler at a consistent cool temperature, 24/7, 365. But I can't throw 55-degree air into the locker room or into an office space or into any other space all year round and have any of the occupants happy at all. So as an aid, we go through a variable air volume or some form of downstream distribution point. We throw in a small radiator like we have above us. And in that case, from the boiler, I can provide boiler water, superheated water. So when the superheated water hits the cool air, I've got tempered air, let's say 90, 95 degrees instead of 180 or 150 from the heat side or 55 from the cool side. I've got that tempered air that gets distributed. So up around across my back, I'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, counting the other zones, different VAVs heading over. Now, how they're controlled, depending on the style of VAV, in our particular case, I've got a simple thermostat on the other side of this room, and it is controlling just a simple low voltage valve. And when I need heat, it opens up the valve, produces hot water tempers the air. Otherwise, the air is never shutting off. The air is constantly flowing and never shuts off in this entire building, and that goes down the line. Now, here's the thing. During your commercial inspection, not every VAV will be as gloriously visible as it is in this hallway that we have here. The majority of the VAVs that you're going to find during your commercial inspection are going to be up above the suspended ceiling tiles. So know that while the CommSop says you're not required to move suspended ceiling tiles, consider where those VAV boxes are if you're going to be doing any visual on them, that you probably will be moving a few tiles here and there. So again, with VAV, air handlers, chillers, coolers, cooling towers, all of these are pretty large systems. This is an opportunity you might consider bringing a specialty consultant on, or if you're comfortable and can explain what your visual natured scope of this inspection will be, then this is certainly something you'd have an opportunity to inspect while doing your inspections. So once again, follow the CommSop and understand how some of these complex systems work, because I will promise you, you will find VAV boxes on some of these larger buildings.